Here we are. We just got to St. Thomas. Sorry, there we go. We're a little late getting off the ship today, but we're gonna get off. It's already crowded down there. Here we're in a taxi along with a bunch of other people. You have to take the taxi to get to the beach. It's about a 20-minute ride. Hey guys, I'm back with my smoking hot wife. So we came to a beach called Coki Beach, and this is where they dropped us off, and here it is. Beautiful water. This is my Pittsburgh boys.
What's up, Diddy?
Beautiful, beautiful view. It was about a 20-minute taxi ride. As you can see, the locals were super friendly. Bless.
Glasses.
The clarity is, let's see. Such a beautiful view. And of course, the day comes to an end, and here we are on the taxi ride back to the ship. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.